Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do SSLC Model Question Paper 3 2025-26. So this is a maths paper, 80 marks paper. Board is released to 4 model papers. Step by step we will do. Let's start. Now multiple choice questions. See beta, if the lines are represented by the pair of linear equations, okay, this is one equation 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and one more equation 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel. Okay, these line equations are parallel. Then find the value of k. Okay, see here, first parallel lines is there, means how can we write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. It is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, this is the parallel lines. Here is given the two equations. First equation, see beta, what is there? Equation 1, 3x plus 2ky. This 2 you take this side, minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, this equation also you write it. 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. These two equations you will write. This equation, which form is there? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. This is also same form. Write it, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is the first equation. So here we will write 1. This is the second equation. So here we will write 2. So seeing this equation, what is the a1, right? a1 is equal to 3. Next, b1 is equal to what? b1 is equal to 2k. Next, c1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, next you come this side, a2 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 2. Next, b2 is equal to 5. b2 value is the 5. Next, c2 is equal to 1. Okay, this writing after, you observe the equation, these two are equal. a1 by a2, write it. What is equal is there? First we will write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, both are equal. So now you can apply the values. a1 means 3. Next, a2 means 2 is equal to b1 means 2k. Next, b2 means 5. Okay, now you do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 2k into 2. 2k into 2 is equal to 3 into 5. Okay, now see here, 2k is equal to 3 5 is 15. Here into is there, you take divided by 2. Next, k is equal to 15 by 2. It is a into, after it's is equal to, it's become a divide. Okay, it is a into, after it's equal to, it's become a divide. So k is equal to 15, 2 to the 4. K value is the 15 by 4. Okay, see here, where is the 15 by 4? C is the 15 by 4 is the answer. Now second question, see, any composite number can be expressed as the product of which numbers? Prime numbers. Any number we express as the product of prime numbers is the answer. Next, third question, see beta, the length of the rectangle is 3 times the breadth. Okay, next, area of the rectangle is given 75 centimeters square. The quadratic equation to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. We will write the quadratic equation. Okay, see here what is there? One rectangle is there. Okay, draw one rectangle. Okay, now we are comparing. Okay, see here, the length of the rectangle is 3 times the breadth. So breadth what we will take? X. Length what we will take? 3x. Okay, so breadth is equal to, we are taking x. Length means what? It is a 3x. Okay, now area of the rectangle, it is equal to, area of the rectangle equal to, what is the formula? First you write area of rectangle formula L into B. Okay, area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. E is given the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle, how much is given? 75. 75 equal to L into B. Reverse we will write. L into B is equal to 75. Okay. Next, L means what we will take? 3x. Into breadth means what we will take? X is equal to 75. 3x into x, 3x square is equal to 75. This one you take this side, 3x square minus 75 is equal to 0. See, where is there? 3x square minus 75. See here, 3x square minus 75 is equal to 0. Which option correct? option C is the correct. Next, see beta, next one, fourth question. See, if the nth term of the arithmetic progression is an is equal to 2n minus 1, then it's a fourth term. An given fourth term we will find. This is which one? This is third one. Now we will do fourth sum. See a fourth one, what is given? An is equal to 2n minus 1. So an is equal to 2n minus 1. He is asking which one? Fourth term. Fourth term is what? A4. A4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 1. 2 4s are 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to what is the answer? 7 answer. See 7 where is there? 7. Option B is the correct. Okay. Now see here, in the following, the pair of triangles that are always similar. Similar, which type of triangles similar means? See here, any two equilateral triangles are similar. Okay. Next, sixth question. See, the formula to find the volume of sphere. Volume of the sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. So B is the correct answer. So volume of the which one asking? Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Next is here, seventh question. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. Here F refers to what? Frequency of median class is the F. So option C is the correct. Frequency of median class. Next, eighth question. See, the zero of the polynomial P of x is equal to 5x plus 3. Here see beta. P of x is equal to what is given? 5x plus 3. Okay, we will take here 0. 0 is equal to 5x plus 3. Reverse you write 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 3, send that side minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 5. See beta, where is there? Minus 3 by 5. Which option correct? Option A is the minus 3 by 5. Now, ninth question. See beta, 1 marks questions. In the figure, DE parallel to BC. See here, DE parallel to BC. AE is equal to, see here, E is given BD. BD how much is there? 7.2. AE how much? 1.8. EC is equal to how much? 5.4. Then find the length of AD is the question mark. Okay. One side parallel is there, means remaining two sides are the proportional. This is which theorem? BPT theorem. We will use BPT theorem and we will find. So see here, DE parallel to BC. First write it. So here we are using which theorem? BPT theorem. BPT theorem using sides are proportional. So proportional, write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay. So we will apply the values. AD don't know. Write AD as it is. By DB how much? 7.2 is equal to AE how much? 1.8 by EC how much? 5.4. This one simplified means you will get the answer. Now do cross multiplication. AD into 5.4 is equal to 1.8 into 7.2. Okay. See here, AD is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 divided by what is there? 5.4. Okay. See here, same point. One is otherwise cancel. Point cancel. 18 ones are 18 threes are. Okay. Next here cancel chance. 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. 0.34 is 12. Okay, 2.4. AD is equal to 2.4 is the 2.4 centimeter. Anything given? AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter is the answer. Centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. Next, we will go to 10th question. Carefully listen. 10th, very easy question. What is that? See, write the distance of the point P coordinates. What? AB is the P coordinates from the origin. See, from the origin. Okay, from the origin, distance formula what is there? X square plus y square under root. Okay, see here, D is equal to what is the distance formula from origin? See here, X square plus y square under root. This is the distance formula from origin. Okay, here what are the coordinates are there? P of x, y. So P of AB is there. The A plus we will take x, B plus we will take y. So D is equal to x means what? A square. Plus y means what? B square under root. So from origin Distance formula what? D is equal to a square plus b square under root. This is the answer. Okay. Now 11th question. In the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus 9x plus 20, f of 1 we will find. Okay, 11th question. See, f of x is equal to what is given? X square minus 9x plus 20. We will find f of 1. X plus you write 1. 1 square minus 9 into 1 plus 20. Okay, simplify. 1 square means 1 minus 9 ones are 9 plus 20. Okay, see here, this is also plus, this is also plus. You will get 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9 means what is the answer? 12 is the answer. This answer is f of 1 is equal to 12 answer. Okay. Now 12th question. In an arithmetic progression, if the sum of first 4 terms is the 20. Sum of first 4 terms means S4 is equal to 20. Next, sum of first 3 terms is the 12. Sum of first 3 terms means S3 is equal to 12. Okay, next find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. A4 is the question mark. This is the question. See here, sum of first 4 terms 20. 3 terms, sum of 3 terms 12. Now we will find the fourth term of arithmetic progression. A4 we will find. Okay. Now you have to keep in your mind one concept. What is the concept is there? Try to understand. See here, S5 asking. A5 asking. A5 asking means S5 minus S4. Okay. Next, A10 asking. A10 asking means S10 minus S9. This concept you can keep in your mind. A3 asking means S3 minus S2. This concept you keep in your mind. Okay. See here what is the concept is there? A4 asking. A4 asking using this concept. A4 is equal to what is there? A4 is equal to S4 minus S3. Okay. A4 is equal to S4. What is the value is there? 20 minus S3 is the 12. So A4 is equal to 12 minus 20 minus 12 is the 8 answer. Okay. This concept you keep in your mind. Okay. A4 is equal to S4 minus S3. 8 answer. Now see beta which question? Now 13th question. A rectangle sheet has a paper 40 into 22 is rolled in the form of hollow cylinder and height is 40 centimeter. Find the radius of the cylinder. Okay, here two things are there. One is a rectangle, one is a cylinder. Okay, rectangle measurements what is there? Length 40, breadth 22. Try to understand. Length is the 40, breadth is the 22. Next, cylinder you are taking means cylinder height 40 meter. Cylinder height is the 40 meter. Year to year cylinder height is the 40 meter. Next, you are asking question what? Radius of the cylinder. Here you have to find the radius is the question mark. Okay. Here what is the concept is there? See beta. This is a rectangle. This is the length. This is the breadth. This rectangle you convert into, you turned to the hollow cylinder. This rectangle you convert to hollow cylinder. So here what can we write? Area of rectangle. See here, this is the area of rectangle. It is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. You will get the answer. So here what concept we will write? Area of rectangle is equal to curved. It is a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means EO. Nothing. Okay. So like this is a hollow cylinder. So area of rectangle, area of this area of rectangle, and it is converted into hollow cylinder. So this area of rectangle and curved surface area of cylinder both are equal. That concept we will use. Okay. Now see here. First here I am writing area of rectangle equal to area of rectangle. It is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, these both are equal. Cylinder. Okay. Now see here, area of rectangle formula what? L into B. Length into breadth. Curved surface area of a cylinder formula 2 pi r h. Okay, formulas apply correctly. 2 pi r h. So this is a rectangle formula, area of rectangle. This is the curved surface area of a cylinder formula. What values you know you can apply it. Length how much? 40. Into breadth how much? 22 is equal to, here also which values you know, 2 into pi value is the 22 by 7 into Radius we have to find into height. How much? Here height how much is there? 40 into 40. Now see what we will do. See radius remaining, any cancel chances is there? Here see, here we cancel means cancel. 40 cancel. Next here 22, here also 22 cancel. What is remain here? R by see here 2 by 7. Here what is remains here? Here 2 remain upside into R remain, here 7 remain. Here 2 is equal to, here nothing, 1. Okay. So R is equal to here divide, after is equal to it's become a into, here into, after is equal to it's become a divide. R is equal to 7 by 2. R is equal to 7 by 2 means R is equal to, here reverse I will write. See, R is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means we can write what? 3.5. This also correct answer. This also correct answer. Next see here 13th over 14th question. See better carefully. See here the graph of the pair of linear equations in two variables as shown in the figure. Here one figure given. What is the number of solution does pair of linear equations? See here these lines, you observed these lines are parallel. They are meeting anywhere? No. They are not meeting anywhere means what is the solution? 0 solution. This answer is a 0. You can write it. Okay. Now 15th question. See beta. If sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1, then find the value of cos square A plus cos to the power of 4A we will find. Okay. Now see here what was given, we will write sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So here any simplification chance is there, we will write. See here sin A is equal to 1, send this side, 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Now see here sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. You know already formula this one. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? A is equal to 1. Okay. See here cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Okay. This concept we are using. So 1 minus sin square A is equal to what can we write? Cos square A. Okay. This place we are writing cos square A. Okay. Now what I am doing? Squaring on both sides. So here I am squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So both sides we are doing square. Okay. Squaring on both sides. See here square here. Sin A square here is equal to cos square A square at this one. See here this square means here you will get sin square A is equal to cos 2 to the 4. Cos 4 to the power of 4A. Okay. Now this equation you keep one side. Okay. Now we will find what? Cos square A. We have to find what? Cos square A plus cos to the power of 4A. This value we will find. Okay. Now see here. This one write as it is cos square A. Okay. Plus this place cos to the power of 4A plus we can write here sin square A. Okay. This one you write as it is. Now see here. Now we are finding this value. Okay, cos square A plus cos to the power of 4A we are finding. This one write as it is. So this 4 plus cos to the power of 4A plus we can write cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what is the answer? This answer is, final answer is 1 is the answer. Okay. Now 16th question. In the probability, if an event A is 1 by 5 and event A is 5. So P of A is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, first we will write if the probability of an event A is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So probability of A is equal to 1 by 5. Next, N of A. N of A is equal to what is 2. So find the value of N of S. This is the question mark. In probability, how you will write? P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. So this one we will write in the probability. What part you know, you can apply it. P of A, what is the value is there? 1 by 5 is equal to N of A 2. N of S, don't know, write as it is. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. N of S into 1, N of S is equal to 2 into 5. So n of s is equal to 2 5s are 10. This is the answer. Okay. Now see here, first bit is finished. First 1 marks questions are finished. These 2 marks questions we will do next video. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.